I have a question for you. Do you know what CO2 laser is? Today we're diving into CO2 laser treatment, which is a game-changer procedure in the world of skincare. Whether you're dealing with wrinkles, acne scar, or sun damage, CO2 laser technology offers remarkable results that can transform your skin and boost your confidence. Did you know that CO2 laser treatments have been around since the 1950s? However, advancements in technology have made these treatments safer and more effective than ever. The precision and versatility of CO2 lasers mean that they can target various skin issues with exceptional accuracy. In this video, we'll explore how CO2 lasers work, the numerous benefits they offer, and what you can do and what can you expect from a treatment session with me. By the end of this video, you have a clear understanding of why CO2 laser treatments are becoming the go-to for many seeking skin rejuvenation. Understanding CO2 laser technology. So, how do CO2 lasers work? CO2 lasers emit a concentrated beam of light that vaporizes the outer layers of the skin, allowing for the rejuvenation of new, healthier skin underneath. This process is known as ablative laser treatment, where the laser energy penetrates deep into the dermis, stimulating collagen production, an essential protein for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. According to a study published in the Dermatology Surgery, CO2 laser treatment can improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by as much as 50% after just one session. That is amazing. No other treatments do that in just one session. This remarkable improvement is due to the laser ability to promote cellular turnover and healing. CO2 lasers are particularly effective for wrinkles and fine lines. They target and smooth out wrinkles around the eyes, around the mouth, and the forehead, providing a more youthful appearance. Acne scars. The laser encourages new skin cell growth, significantly improving the appearance of scar and promoting a smoother skin surface. Number 3. Sun damage. CO2 lasers can help face sunspot, liver spot, and other pigmentation issues, leading to a more even, bright skin tone. Moreover, the versatility of CO2 lasers, this technology allows to be used in different skin types and conditions, making it a preferred option for many patients at my practice. Let's move on to the benefits of this amazing CO2 laser technology. First of all, this is just not invasive. While CO2 laser treatments are a little bit more invasive than some other skin treatments, it's still considered a non-surgical option for skin rejuvenation, meaning no lengthy recovery time associated with traditional surgical procedures. Quick recovery time. Thanks to advancement in this type of technology since the 1950s, many patients experience faster recovery time than in the past. A study published in the Laser Surgery of Medicine reported that many patients could return to just normal activities within a week, allowing for minimal disruption to their daily life activities. I love that CO2 laser can provide you with long-lasting results. The results of CO2 laser can last for years, especially when combined with a proper skin regimen and diligent sun protection. This is extremely important for any skin procedure. The continuous production of collagen not only improves for immediate appearance of the skin, but it also enhances its quality over time. CO2 laser is very versatile. This type of treatment can be tailored to what the client actually needs. Whether you have mild sun damage or severe scarring, the treatment parameters can be adjusted accordingly, ensuring optimal results and safety for each individual. Minimal discomfort. More patients report only mild discomfort during the procedure, often linked to like a rubber band snap. I've done that myself, so I know that's the exact same feeling. We use at my practice topical anesthetic and sometimes sedation options to help ensure a comfortable experience, allowing patients to undergo treatment with peace of mind. Enhanced skin texture. Beyond targeting wrinkles and scars, CO2 lasers improve overall skin texture, making it smoother and more vibrant. I love that this type of treatments stimulate skin growth. The procedure encourages the growth of new healthy skin cells while simultaneously removing all damaged skin layers. Another benefit about this procedure is the reduction in pore size. Patients often notice a reduction in the appearance of enlarged pores, resulting in a more refined and polished complexion. Now, what should you expect during a CO2 laser procedure with me? Here's a detailed breakdown of the process. Consultation. Before your treatment, we'll conduct a detailed consultation to discuss your skin concerns, expectations, and medical history. This is the time to ask any questions you might have about the procedure, how it works, and what can you expect. After that, on the day of your treatment, your skin will be thoroughly cleansed and topical anesthetic will be applied to minimize your discomfort. You may also receive oral medication if needed to help you relax during your procedure. Now let's talk about the treatment itself. CO2 laser will be applied to the target area per our consultation. The duration of the procedure depends on the size of the areas being treated, but for most sessions, they can last anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, never more than that. Let's talk about post-care because this is extremely important. After your treatment, you'll receive detailed aftercare instructions to promote healing. This includes guidance on how to care for your skin, manage discomfort, and recognize signs of complications. In my practice, after your procedure, you will receive the proper skin products to care for your skin because what you put on your house while you're recovering will let us know if the procedure is going to be successful or if it's not going to be successful. There's no point on investing money on a procedure and then go home and don't have the proper aftercare. The proper aftercare will enhance the results that you're getting with the laser. A follow-up appointment will be scheduled to assess your healing process and results. Our team will also follow up with you after your procedure, the day after your procedure, to make sure there's no complications. This ensures that any adjustment can be made if needed and your satisfaction is achieved. In conclusion, CO2 laser treatments offer a powerful solution for various skin concerns, delivering long-lasting results with minimal discomfort. If you're considering this treatment, it's essential to consult with a qualified professional to discuss your options and create a tailored plan that suits your unique skincare needs. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. Together, we can achieve healthier, more radiant skin. Thank you for watching, and remember, your skin deserves the best care possible.